We're going to recreate the design in a very short time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. First off, you'll see that there is a background, kind of a blue background. So I'm just going to pick this blue, alright, and make it a little bit dark like this. Alright, then I'm going to bring this background here, this guy. Okay. I'll put it here. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity like this. Then I'm going to even remove the color totally. Just to reduce the opacity. Alright. Okay, so let's bring in the original design so that we'll see exactly what we're doing. This is the original design. Notice that the color is really dark at the bottom. So let's come again. Let's choose one of these. This, let's make it the dark blue here. Alright, then this, let's make it this color here. So we have something like this. Alright, you can see it's taking shape already. Cool, right? Very well. The next thing we want to do is to get this guy. Alright, so let's just get it now like this. Shape, draw it like this, drag it here like this, put it there, put it here, then do this. Remember how I taught you how to create shapes? So this is the top part of the shape. Alright, then you're going to copy it like this. Then you're going to come over here and then do this. So we'll come over to the bottom part here like this, then do this. Alright, so just make sure that it is sitting properly. Alright, so when you are done, just simply mesh both together. That means you formed that shape. Alright, so this is the shape, you formed it. So just click here, click here, click here, click here, and then select the color that you want. Okay, notice that there's another white color behind it, so just copy this, make this white. Okay, then put it just like this. Then you can bring this guy, not this. You can bring this one to the front like this. So we have something like this. Okay, so this man's picture that's here, you're going to bring it on. So let's move this down like this, and let's move it sideways. All right, so let's bring in this picture. So I'm going to bring in the picture right now. All right, so I've brought in the picture, as you can see. So I can take out the original design, that is this guy here. I'm going to take it out now. Cool, right? All right, so we can begin to work on every other aspect of the design. So the first thing first, let's bring in okay, let me check something. Maybe this guy is too big, so let's check this. Alright, so we're going to do this now. I want to reduce it small. Alright, then try to adjust it like this. Alright, so the first thing first, here we have this. Okay, we'll just make it bold and centralize it like this. Alright, then we have, alright, so that we get everything we're doing, let's bring in this. So right here we have this. Alright, so this is going to be 3 lines, the way I'm saying it here. And this will go here. This will go here. Alright, so like this. And this improves it a little more. Then let's carry and adjust it. Alright. So it means we can bring this guy to the top front here. Alright, you can bring it there like this. Okay, so here we have Pastoral Prayer Ministry. So let's get this straight. Pastoral Prayer Ministry. Let's use a long font, okay, like Bibas. So it says Pastoral here. Alright. Then prayer here. So we can reduce this one, put it there. Would adjust it, still reduce it, put it there. So bring this guy here, ministry, right? Okay, put it there. Okay, so you notice that there's a line on top of this guy. So once you've done this, we can get the pastor's name here. Right, is it? right? Then we can get the shape here. Alright, so I'm not going to use this one. Right, we can change the color to this. Okay, let's adjust it like this. Okay, right, so I can bring this guy here. I bring this guy here. Okay, so I can bring this guy here. I'll just drag it in like this. Okay, alright, so it means that we can, right here is saying ppm, so that's abbreviation. So instead of using white there, ppm, use black, because black on yellow will be more pronounced. Right, then we can bring the date in here, right here, like this. We can increase it, right? So like I said, black is better. Make it into bold is also cool, like this. Closing up the space, line space is also nice. Okay, cool. Then the address is going to come here, so I can bring it here like this. Okay, let's reduce this, let's bring it here. Right, so let's deliberately push this to the bottom here. Alright, and then the color for the down is going to be this. So already we have something like this. Okay, then I think we will get the word present here. Present, but it's going to be long. So let's present. So we're going to make it, reduce the font size like this, and I'm going to stretch out the space like this. Then we'll centralize it. Right, so we can just use this to move it like this. Alright, so you see how we're able to get it. So we can come over here now and get a circle like this. Then we can remove, just do it like this, then remove this guy, then just add one stroke to it, and then just do this. Still yet, we're still going to faint it, like reduce the opacity a little, so that we can rotate this and just grab it here. Okay, right, so I'm going to send it to the back like this. I'll copy it, I'll do like this, I'll increase it. Okay, so it's going to look like part of the background. Alright, so you can see how easy it is to get this done. So this guy is looking dull, so we can make it light by putting it here. Alright, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niamuda, and I'll see you in another tutorial. If you want to add this, you can come over here and just add this guy. Alright, we can make it red on yellow is not bad, so we'll make it red, but we're going to cut it. So we'll come over to crop and then crop this out. Alright, so we can just do it like this, put it there, still reduce it, put it there. So you adjust it like this. So in the end, we're able to get this. Do it to like this video, do it to tell me where you're watching from, and do it to tell me the favorite part for you. My name is Niamuda. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friend. I want you to subscribe